Hi friends, in this video we will learn about snapshot and versioning in a storage account. Okay, so for that let's open a file and let's check the file. Right now this is the content of our file, and let's say and we want to modify our file. Before that, what we want to keep it, you can say create a means we want to keep it safe. If means something is went wrong, we can get our original file. For that I will create a snapshot for this point of time, and then if something went wrong, then I can recover my file as it. So here you are able to, this is a snapshot of our file. Let's do the modification there. Okay, and save that. Now go to snapshots, and let's say you want to get your this back earlier content, then you will get this way. Okay, and this is one way, which is a manual way, but apart from that you can also do this thing at with the help of versioning as well. If you check right now, we don't have this versioning enabled, and that's why you are not able to see any version here. Okay, so let me enable this first, then we will check this how versioning will work. Versioning, go to configurations, and then go, no, this is not available in configuration, it's available in data management under data protection. So here you need to enable this, and here you have option keep all the version. If you will go with this, then means you need to bear the extra cost to maintain this version, or you can go with this, means how many days you want to delete these version. Let's say 2 days, or it's totally up to you. So let's go to our blob and check this. Open this blob and let's modify this. Testing versioning. Let's save this and let's check this. Now you are able to see we have this version available with us. Okay, so and let's say if you modify something else, then each and every change will create a new version, and you can change that or revert that with the help of this. Okay, so this is about snapshot and versioning. So thanks for your time.